Join us today as we're cooking outside on a cold autumn end of October day at the Pinery. We might be running around just to try to stay warm. Happy fall! We're out camping. It's the end of October and we're cold. And we decided, even though we're cold, we're still going to do this video outside under this pavilion, so I hope it's not too dark. We're using a Coleman Stove, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up by having some hot chocolate and some tea. So we're just going to get some water on to boil. So it's probably around 0, maybe 1 degree Celsius. It's really overcast. It's been raining all day. And it's supposed to be raining for the rest of the weekend, but we're going to make the most of it. Chitra is going to have a grilled cheese sandwich with Havarti cheese, one of her favorites that she doesn't get very often. Got our nice frying pan for the stuff, spatula, and a couple of pieces of bread, buttered on both sides, and a nice smack of Havarti cheese makes for a very nice, warm grilled cheese when we're done. It's chilly. Nice to warm your hands up with the fire, even if it isn't a campfire. So now we're going to put the pan on, get it heated, and get this grilled cheese made. Waiting for the grilled cheese to grill. Oh, maybe a little too hot.
Oh, I love it. That was beautiful.
I'm afraid it's so cold out, and I didn't bring anything to cover it. That maybe the cheese isn't going to melt as well as I would like it to. There's no foil. Oh, foiled again. Curses! It's a little cooking drama while you're camping. I don't know if you just heard that, but Chitra is verbalizing her drooling behind the camera. One, because it looks so good.
And 2, because it's freezing.
It's freezing, and it's kind of late because all this stuff takes so long that by the time we actually can eat the food, we're kind of already starving to death. So just for you, we're doing this for you. I hope you appreciate it. Okay, I think I'm thinking. Oh, I'm thinking. Can you see that? You see a little melty, cheesy? Can you see that? Can you see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you just want to eat that? Like, it's kind of one of my...
Yummy. Cheers. See how far yours can stretch. I win. Right. That's cold people. Cold but delicious.
Might have to save a piece for Chloe.
You know this. I'll move it to her.
I'm eating all of mine. Nothing like a grilled cheese sandwich. Camping, fingers, right? No. Thanks for joining us today at the Pinery Provincial Park. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below. Like us, share us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Is it down there? Over here? Down there? Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos. And let us know below what else you'd like to see. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tricia from Nature Lover Canada. Have a good fall.